Fark Factory. There are no humans, there's no need for light. Hello and welcome to Robam Appliances Future Factory, including Fark Factory. Many countries around the world are striving to develop lights-out production, and today we are going to see how Robam has achieved it right here in Hangzhou.
In the 80s, the factory used simple tools and machines to make kitchen equipment. But since 2021, they have set up a Fark Factory, where machines run automatically 24/7. What used to need 500 workers can now be done with just a dozen people.
我们现在来到的是我们浙江省的一个首批未来工厂，这里呢正式还原了我们生产现场的16条生产线、150台设备、27台 IGV 的真实场景。物料走到哪里呢，将要去往哪里，产线是否正常，全部可以在我们这个中枢平台上进行了解。
In this factory, there are various kinds of robots, including automated transfer machines and machinery arms.
The robots are transporting materials, assembling products, and conducting quality checks.
This ATV is charging now, and here you can see the lasers. They are for censoring the obstacles in front of the vehicle.
The results of this Fark Factory are impressive. Product quality has soared to 99%, production efficiency has increased by 45%, and its cost decreased by 21%.
That was a tour in the Fark Factory. Remember, the future is here and it's brighter than ever, even in the dark. So what is the final product of the intelligent manufacturing? We are in the Rocky lab, and this is a smart kitchen assistant called Rocky. You can tell it what you want for a meal. Hey Rocky.
我在呢。
我想吃虾。
推荐芦笋虾仁，具体做法已为您推送到手机。
And in a second, you have a recipe on your phone. Follow the simple steps to prepare the ingredients and then use the automatic stir-fry pan to cook the dish effortlessly. It smells so good! We wrap up today's activity with this delicious dish. Stay tuned!